Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your Stan Store link to your TikTok bio. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Stan Store. And here, go to the left panel and go to My Store. Okay. You can do this one on your phone as well while using the phone app. In here, as you can see at the top right, we have the store URL. Just copy it. Now you can go ahead and go to your TikTok profile. Okay. Now go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Okay, just click on it. And here, as you can see, we have username, name, and our bio. Now to add your Stan Store link, you can go ahead and erase your bio if you want to, and then add your Stan Store link, like so. That's basically how you do it. If you want to add in like, visit my Stan Store, like so, you can go ahead and make it like that, hit on save. Once done, go ahead and refresh the page. And as you can see here we have our Stan Store. For PC users, if they want to visit your Stan Store, they can just easily copy and paste it, like so. There you have it. For phone users, they can just easily tap on this link, and they'll be landed to the same exact page. That's basically how you add your Stan Store to your TikTok bio. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.